Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make custom 808 sounds. We'll start by selecting a clean sine wave, which is the perfect foundation for a powerful 808. You can use almost any synthesizer or sampler for this. Just make sure it offers good control over envelopes. This initial step is crucial for building a strong, resonant bass tone that will cut through your mix. Next, we'll shape the 808's characteristic punch and length. Set a very fast attack, almost instantaneous, and then dial in a short decay. A decay time between 100 and 300 milliseconds often works well, giving it that classic thud. Play around with the sustain and release to control how long the bass note rings out after the initial hit. Now, let's give our 808 some serious character and punch. Applying saturation or a subtle distortion effect can introduce rich harmonics, making it sound much fuller and more present. Be sure to blend the effect carefully, perhaps around 20 to 40% wet, to avoid muddiness. A transient shaper can also be excellent for emphasizing that initial hit, making it really pop. Finally, it's time to mix and polish your custom 808. Use equalization to clean up any unwanted low-end rumble and perhaps boost a subtle mid-range frequency for clarity. Compression is key for evening out the dynamics, ensuring a consistent level throughout your track. Always remember to tune your 808 accurately to the key of your song for perfect musicality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.